Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellen and thank you for tuning in. So as you know, this channel is all about experimenting and seeing if a person like myself with no experience and no investment can start a YouTube channel and be successful at it. Now, over here, we always like to hear about where you are in your journey and also please share what you are doing to improve your YouTube channel or software that you think can be helpful for the rest of us trying to learn this YouTube game. So today, let's talk about creating thumbnails, logos, and banners. My last video, I was talking about thumbnails. Now I have discovered a website called Canva.com. Well, Canva.com is for creating all your graphic designs, whether it be for any social media, for your emails, even print on demand. Now you have two options when you go on to canva.com. First thing is you can do it for free, but there are limitations. And also your second option is to pay, of course, and then you can have so many other fun things to do with your thumbnails, all your graphic designs basically. Now, what I've discovered is that everybody on YouTube has, not everybody, actually, I should say most people with a successful YouTube channels have their banners actually branding them, right? And now I thought, because I told you guys before that I am not technologically inclined, I always thought that it was so difficult to do, but it's not. It is simple and easy. All you have to do is, drag the images you want and then it's click and drag. That's all it is. And there's no complicated signs to it or some hidden secret. Completely easy. With Canva.com, the only con with the free one is that when you want to download after you've created, let's say your thumbnail, after you've created it and then you want to download that, make sure that you download it to as a ping document because or ping file, because then it is easier to share it on any social media platform or even to use as print on demand, graphic design. But the only problem with it, because it's free, your background is not clear. Yeah, it took me a little bit or a while to figure out how to deal with, to get around that problem. And I did it. I found a website called LunarPix. Now on LunarPix you can, it's like what do they call it? Editing photos. Well, once you're on there, you can actually, make your background transparent of the design that you have created, which is a great thing to do because then you can use it not only for your YouTube, you can use it for your print on demand designs. This is an excellent resource for anybody that's looking to do this, like to test it out, test it out, see how it works, and then later on, of course, you'll reach a point where you'll have to pay for for the designs that you create. But for now, as we are learning all the steps and learning, trying to gain our feet, it is okay, and it is actually, I would advise that you try the free stuff first. Once you know and have the hang of it, and then it will be easier for you, to pay for things later on, because you'll have the knowledge and you'll be a discerning user. So anyhow, then when we get to the banners, now I learned how to create a banner. Mine is not perfect as yet because I'm playing around with a few things, but I did find out one thing that I did not know before is when you create your banner, try to make the wording or the words, right? The font size really not too small, but smaller than you would think. Because once you upload it to YouTube, it can look very big. You know, especially imagine people are looking at your site, a YouTube channel, with their mobile devices. So your banner could come off as, you know, too much, as I had experienced that I created the banner in Canva, looked extremely nice, my taste. But then afterwards, when I uploaded it to YouTube, it was too big, too messy, and it just did not look right. Now, the only other problem is that because at this point, if you choose to use the free Canva, you will have watermarks on your banner. And I haven't figured out how to remove the watermarks yet, but for now, it is what it is. And until I find a design and font and, you know, the style that I want and like completely, then I think I would pay for it. Because you can also, even though you're doing the free Canva, you can also buy the images that you create, you know. So you don't have to pay the whole subscription or the monthly fees for it. You can just pay per image. I mean, at the end of the day, it might be more expensive, but at the beginning, it's great because an image is anything from $1. So that's not too much starting off. But at this point, I'm not even paying that dollar because I'm just experimenting and, you know, trying to see what I like, what I don't like, how it looks like on YouTube, all those things until I reach the final stage where I'm like, that's it. Now, remember when it comes to banners and your logos, think about your branding, think about your colors. I mean, we all like different things, of course, we all have different styles, but the most important thing is, who are you trying to attract? What kind of viewers are you trying to attract? What is your niche? Answer those questions, and maybe then you will be able to create that image or that banner that will actually relate, or your viewers will relate to, and it will be a match. At this point, I'm still searching. Where are you at this in this journey? Please tell me at the bottom in the comment section. Tell us where you are in your journey and what have you done so far? How far along are you with your channel? Are you being consistent? How often do you upload? How's it going? Just have a chit chat with us down below so that we can all learn from each other. Remember, the channel is called Enriching Each Other, so we are in this together. I think that people that are watching this channel are in the same boat as I am. New to YouTube, don't really know what works, what doesn't work, trying to gather information step by step. We'll get there, right? And we'll be great. And then what the other thing that I did was go on other YouTube channels that I love, and they have a lot of following, you know, a great number of people subscribe to their channels. Now I'm going to make 3 examples, and these 3 examples are completely different niches. They are completely not even related niches. I just want to show you that it's all about the branding and all about how your banner and your logo can attract people, so that you have a few ideas in your mind of how you want yours to look like and what kind of message you want your logo to portray. Now, the first one we're going to look at is from a gossip commentator. Her name is Tasha K. She is a great YouTuber. I mean, the content that she creates is really original, and some people, actually, not some people, I would like to call her a trendsetter, because once she breaks some gossip news, other bloggers follow. What I like about her channel graphics is that her logo itself is so unique, and it ties in with her title and what she's about. Her channel name is Unwind with Tasha K. Now, first you see the wine glass, and inside she has her profile, her profile of herself. So you get the idea, okay, this is going to be about wine and about her. And she has in her banner, which I think is fantastic, she even has her signature, her name, Tasha K. And it looks great. It looks professional. I have no idea which software she used. I have not spoken to her. I'm a small channel. So I don't know what kind of a graphics she used, but just from the visual, it looks perfect, right? And I took this as an example to try an example as well as an inspiration to try to find where I can, what I can do to help myself, myself find that, that picture for myself, or that banner that says, yes, this is this channel and this is what we are all about. And then the second YouTube channel we're going to look at is Think Media. Well, Think Media is more or less this niche that we are in. I could say in the umbrella of internet marketing, e-commerce, YouTube channels, how-tos, and technological reviews and tutorial. They're in that, right? And we are trying to be in that niche as well. Or at least I am trying to be in that niche as well, which is the broader niche. But mine is starting off. I'll figure out where I fit in, or where I want to fit in as my channel grows, because at the moment I'm just experimenting with different things. So anyhow, I was off topic. Looking at his banner, you clearly see he's holding a camera. I mean, his name is Sean Cannell. I hope I'm saying your last name right. If not, I'm sorry. You can clearly see that this is a technological, a tech kind of channel. And there's no two ways about it. The message is clear, the pictures are clear, and it's fun. And he shows, it shows a little bit of himself as well as the business, which is great. And he has a good following, and he also has a lot of content, very useful. You might want to check him out to help you with building your YouTube channel as well. I did some of his courses, very good. Some of them are free and some are not. I did the free ones, as I told you before in previous videos. At this point, I'm just trying to figure out everything for myself. Might be the long way around, but I don't have so much money to invest in all these courses because they are a pretty penny. Now, the third one that we're going to look at is Daily Bumps. They're a nice family, and now let's have a look at their banner. Their banner is colorful, playful. It gives you a certain vibe, happiness, positivity, and you get all those thoughts just by looking at their banner. It inspires, something positive in me, or it stirs up something positive. Even with their videos, to me, I feel like when I watch their videos, it's like a Disney ad or some kind of commercial for family values and happiness. I like their channel. So now we have looked at three different channels with three different niches, three different banners. But the most important thing that I can say from all of them collectively is that you see, number one, branding is clear. You see, from their banner, you know what you're getting. And number two, it's all professional. And and you can see that they've paid for it, or they're able to do it themselves. Kudos to them if they did it themselves, but it looks very professional, like it was done by somebody else. So now I am trying to do everything that I can on Canva to make it look professional, even though I'm doing it myself and I am not a professional at this. I am still learning, as I've said before. So please let us know in the comments below, what are you doing? How are you getting along? How far are you? And what I can do better, and other sites that you might know that I don't know of that might be good and working for you. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.